हेलो गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। बाय द टाइटल आपको अब तक पता चल ही गया होगा व्हाट दिस वीडियो इज ऑल अबाउट. So yes, in today's video I'm gonna create this smoky eye and also I'm gonna review this product. This is iMagic Professional Cosmetics का 30 shade 30 color eyeshadow palette. Before starting today's video, make sure you subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon. So without wasting any time, let's get started with today's video. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. It comes with this thick plastic cover to protect this thing. First thing I liked about this product is they have mentioned the expiry date for this product. Back side पे सारे details लिखे हुए हैं like manufacturing and all that. So guys, are you ready to see this beautiful palette? Look at the beauty of this palette and all the warm nude, pink, purple, all the shades given. I mean, I just love the shades given in this palette are actually very much similar to Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and they have also given a very big size mirror over here. Actually मैंने इसका प्लास्टिक जो है वो अभी तक निकाला नहीं है. I got this product for 1499 rupees. मैंने ये प्रोडक्ट इंस्टाग्राम पेज से मंगाया. ऑफकोर्स आई लिंक देयर पेज इन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. एंड उनके पास काफ़ी हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट काफ़ी डिस्काउंटेड रेट में होता है एंड ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स आर ऑथेंटिक. सो येस, दीज आर ऑल द शेड्स. This palette I have to say is perfect for Indian bridal look. I'm quickly gonna swatch some of the shades. I mean, just look at the pigment, yeah. I'll post a picture over here जिसमें मैंने सारा shades का swatches किया हुआ है. That's all I wanted to share about this product. The product is travel friendly and the pigment is awesome. So now let's just start with today's makeup. I'm gonna create a soft smoky eye look. For concealer, I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade medium. Using the Damn Beauty blender, I'm gonna set the concealer. Now using Stay Quirky kajal, I'm gonna roughly apply this kajal like this. I'm gonna blend this product. Now taking the same brush, I'm gonna pick this black shade and dab this black shade on this kajal. Now I'm gonna take a fluffy brush like this and blend this. Taking the same brush and picking this cinnamon shade, dabbing the excess. I'm gonna blend it like this. Now taking this toffee shade, dabbing the excess. I'm gonna take that a little upwards and blend it on the upward direction. Just like that, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. Now I'll clean my under eye area so that we'll do rest of our face makeup. For foundation, I'll use Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 220 and 228. Now using a flat foundation brush like this, I'm gonna blend my foundation. Blend it in a dabbing motion. Now taking a Damn Beauty blender. Under eye concealing, I'm using Swiss Beauty concealer. Using the K Beauty banana powder, I'm gonna set my under eye area. Now using a small blending brush, I'm gonna pick the shade cinnamon. Apply on my lower lash line. Applying kajal on my waterline. Taking a small flat brush I'm gonna pick this black shade and apply on the lower lash line to kind of create that smoky effect. Curling my lashes using this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. Now I'll set my brows. Using this face palette from Sugar Cosmetic, I'm gonna use this contour shade. Using this Sugar Cosmetics blusher in the shade Pink Pinnacle. Using the highlighter shade from this palette, I'm gonna highlight all the high points of the face. Using this small tiny brush, I'm gonna highlight my inner corner of the eyes. For lipstick, I'm using this Nykaa mini lipstick. The shade number is 47M. That's it. Now you can use makeup setting spray if you want to make your makeup last longer, but I don't want that. So this is the final look. I hope you liked it. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if this video was helpful for you guys, then please hit the like button and also share this video as much as possible. Now I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.